Are you newly pregnant? Well, I have an easy way to show you how to make your own DIY jeans. So stay tuned. I'm Erin from Wardrobe Hackers, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY jeans. That's going to cost you under $7. So what you're going to want to do is take an old pair of jeans that you have in your closet. These need to, currently fit you, or maybe you've lost a couple of pounds in the last year or two and they're a little bit bigger and you haven't been able to wear them. You can use those as well. So you've got your jeans. You're going to want to take some fabric scissors, some sewing needles, some black elastic. Now it can really be any color. This one is a 3-inch elastic that I found from Joann's Fabrics. This can be a little bit difficult to find, so definitely check out Joann's before you go to any other local fabric shop that you have. And then you're just going to want some needle and thread, as simple as that. First and foremost, what you're going to want to do is take your jeans and you're just going to cut out the pocket, just right here. I'm going to show you. You're going to want to start at the hip. That's going to take a little bit longer just to kind of get through that waistline. And you're going to want to do this on each side. Doesn't have to look pretty because that's where your elastic is going to go. So we'll do this side first. Then you're going to want to take your elastic and you're just going to want to measure on the top of your pant here, or you can do it in the back as well. That's where you're going to sew in the elastic. And you're going to want to double this up just to give you some extra elastic. I'm going to take it from the back, and then we're just going to start using with some needles. We're going to start pinning it in. All right, we're all pinned in, and now we're going to want to start sewing in. Just a simple running stitch is all you need. And if you have a sewing machine, you can use that as well. That would be a lot easier. All right, now we have it all sewed in. As you can see, our stitches are all in. And our next step is we're just going to take our pins out and we're going to cut the rest of the fabric off. And there you have it, friends. You have your own DIY maternity jeans that you made straight from your own closet. Didn't have to go out and buy your own pair. And they've only cost you $7, plus took you 15 to 20 minutes. Now I want to show you the difference between your DIY jeans and then say you go out and buy a pair of maternity jeans already done. Look how much alike they look. These have the elastic in the back, but that's something you could easily do to your DIY jeans with your leftover elastic that you bought. They're pretty much the same. You can wear these post-pregnancy as well, so you're going to get a lot of wear out of these. If you have found this video helpful, please like and share and follow us on YouTube at Wardrobe Hackers, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media. I'm Erin from Wardrobe Hackers, and thanks for watching.